He's really getting hardcore about this. Oh, that's a good
Dude, Nixon is eating shirt.
What are you doing? I'm not kidding. He's staging it.
All right, ready?
All right, 1, 2, 3, go. The conservative first bite. So enjoyable.
Slow and steady. Victor's gotten 3 bites in already to Nick's 1.
Labasco's first out. Nick's first bite. That's going to get too cold. I feel like this is something geared for Gus.
Labasco is out. What? Take it off the top.
I don't know why I think Gus is like a superhero. Victor's way more melting. You make a difference. You what?
I said we do this every Christmas with my family.
Charlie's going.
Oh, yeah?
No, Shawley's steady. Shawley's steady. He's talking it up. He ain't concentrating on it.
Victor's my winner right here.
No, I think Victor's going down. Victor had some cake today. I think Victor's going down. Victor had some cake for sure. Nick and Andrew both got their game faces on over there, quiet.
Victor enjoys it. You see him like kind of licking his spoon.
Yeah. Yeah, he's more about the food instead of the actual challenge.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's insane.
I think Chris. I think the tiny Chris is going to. I think tiny Chris is going to surprise. We'll check back in.